Today feels huge because once you learn what I'm about to show you, writing your book will never feel overwhelming again. And honestly, my heart is racing a little bit. Listen, I know exactly what you're going through. You're pouring your time, your heart, your energy into trying to write a book that never quite gets finished. You're struggling to stay consistent without burning out, watching other coaches publish books, grow their authority, and get the opportunities that you know you are ready for, while you're stuck in self doubt, second guessing, and confusion, not even sure what is missing. I live that frustration, and my clients do too, and that's why I created the No Block Writing Training and the Author to Authority. These are two masterclasses you're getting today for free. I know it sounds crazy, but I am incredibly proud of what these trainings have done for the coaches all over the world who have worked with me. And I can't wait to show you exactly what's inside. Here's what you are getting today. Inside the No Block Writing Training, you'll learn my complete neuroscience-backed, soul-aligned writing system that eliminates writer's block, overwhelm, and imposter syndrome. So you can finally write your book with clarity, flow, and confidence. You'll see the exact phase-by-phase method I use with my private clients, the same process that leaders and creators and healers have paid over $12,000 for. It's going to be laid out for you step by step. And there's screen shares, real examples, breakdowns, everything you need to write your book just in months, not years. And that's just the first gift you're getting. You also get the Author to Authority Masterclass, where you learn about the 6 biggest obstacles that get in the way of finishing your book and how to overcome them so that you can show up fully as the authority that you already are. These are two trainings that work hand in hand. They work together to give you a complete clarity of message, a proven writing system that keeps you in flow, the ability to overcome procrastination, fear, perfectionism, and the structure to write a book that transforms the people who read it. This framework has already helped countless authors take their message out of their heads and onto the page in a way that builds authority, opens doors, and creates real impact in the world. And today, you're getting access to this for free. You just click the button, enter your name, your email address, and the entire training unlocks for you instantly. Look, your book has been calling you for a long time now. You know you were meant to write it. You know it's part of your mission to share it with the world. And you also know that the world needs your voice more than ever, especially now. You're not here by accident. You're not seeing me accidentally. This is your moment. Let me show you the simplest, clearest, most aligned path to finally writing your book. Click the button below, get instant access, and I'll see you inside the training. It's time.